to our channel. And it's Volcano Volcano. So,
What kind of volcano? Volcano?
Volcano Eruption.
And Ate, what is our materials? What do you have there? What is that? Say baking soda.
Baking soda and fruit coloring and
That's vinegar.
vinegar.
So what is the first thing you need to do?
First thing you just put this
Baking.
baking soda.
Okay. You can pour it. And you put it inside. Okay.
There's a little bit more.
Mm-hmm.
It's coming out. The next one, I'm just going to put food coloring.
What color is that?
Yellow and red.
Okay, let's try the yellow first.
Okay, let's find the yellow for where I'm going to put it.
Inside.
Inside the volcano?
Mm-hmm. Pour 3. Count 3.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, and the next one is
Red.
red. Why are you going to make yellow and red? What color are you want to have?
Orange.
Ah, to make it orange. Okay.
1, 2, 3. Go. Guys.
The next one is what?
Vigo.
Wait, Ate. Do you know why you are going to use that? So that you can make a chemical reaction. And to show the volcano. Okay. Anya, look at that. What will happen? Pour it, Ate. Go. More. More.
Wow, we can only touch it with our fingers.
Yeah. Can you try it again? Pour it again. No, no, no. Don't touch it. Try to pour it again.
Guys, I'm going to get baking soda to the volcano.
Go. Go. Pour it all. Oh. That's okay. That's enough, Ate. Don't touch it.
Hi guys, we're done with this volcano. Watch it. And that's how we can put this volcano with the cup, food coloring, baking soda, the fruit, and the gonna watch and the stuff. I hope you guys will our volcano video. Bye. And remember, I was very happy and wise up. Bye. I'm gonna make another one tomorrow. Hi, do.
Anya, say bye.
Bye.
Get up, Anya. Say bye.
Bye.
Stand up, Anya, so they can see you. Say bye.
Bye.